We're in the UK, we're out on location, and we are very much in the shade because this is about how to keep a mobile phone cool when you are out and about, because if you put it on your body and in your pocket, it is going to overheat, especially if you record video like it happened to me the other day. The thing was melting. So I've got a bag here. It happens to have like a little cover inside. If I can get the thing out, that will do. And then inside is the mobile phone that is quite cool at the moment. Obviously not the one that I'm filming on right now. What I've done here is got a quite small, thin 2cm ice pack and another 2cm ice pack on that side, literally one either side, wrapped and sandwiched up the mobile phone, put it inside the bag, and there you have it. How to keep your mobile phone extremely cool in this hot weather, because I can tell you right now, if you go prancing around outside there like I did the other day in the countryside, filming, stopping, filming, the mobile phone is so incredibly hot it's almost useless. So you will find that these things carry a warning to say only operate in middle temperatures, not too cold and not too hot. If you go in the sun, they will overheat. So do the sensible thing, get yourself, and this particular one happens to be from Decathlon. There's a couple of ice packs there. If you're wondering what I'm dealing with here, also it's a little two-part table, which is a camping table also from Decathlon. That was how to keep your mobile phone cool and cold and usable in the hot weather.